everyone, welcome back to AwakenSoul. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience regarding river rafting in Rishikesh. Okay, regarding my experience, Chakas, you'll get to hear the word and the whole video. Okay, Chakas everywhere. And coming back to the river rafting, some points you should consider if you want to try it later on after the corona. First is go for the camping. The package camping and river rafting. Second, negotiate the price as much as you can. Okay, negotiate. And for us, we negotiate till 1500. They were asking 2200. We negotiate till 1500 back in 2019. Yeah, regarding the rafting also, if you want to do just for the rafting, there is three basic start point from the for rafting. One is from Brahmapuri. That's the shortest one. The duration is the distance is 9 kilometers, and it will take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to complete the whole rafting. The second and the most common, and which I'll recommend you guys if you want to try this one. That is from Shivpuri to Rishikesh, the rafting, and the distance is 16 kilometers, and it's gonna take around 3.5 to 4 hours to complete the whole rafting. And the third and the longest one is what do you call that? Marine drive to Rishikesh. Okay, that one is 27 kilometers the length, and it's gonna take around 5 to 6 hours. Okay. My whole experience was nice, thrill and everything. So, and I did encounter a snake when I jumped into the river. It's what to say. Luckily, nothing happened, but yeah. Watch the whole video. You get pretty much idea about what the rafting is all about. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post another video, and share this video amongst your friends. Do plan out this rafting is amazing. You should you should try this one. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Oh, sitting ngoài đấy. Thấy tàu thổ. अब तक तो किन बताओ के बताओ त्रिपली है
ओके स्टॉप। तो गाइस सामने रैपिड्स है, रोलर कोस्टर। हाँ, इधर देखेंगे सब लोग एक बार 3 टाइम बोलेंगे गंगे मैया की जय, की जय, की जय। रैपिड्स का नाम क्या है? रोलर कोस्टर। तो अच्छा पैडल चलाएंगे। हाँ, ओके, गो फॉरवर्ड, go, come on, forward. Go, come on. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Guys, इधर देखो कैसा लगा रैपिड्स। कैमरे में देख के 3 टाइम बोलो गंगे मैया की knock your feet. Okay, go forward again. Come on, guys. Go, faster, come on. Okay, stop. Go forward, come on. Forward. That's actually pretty big now. Okay, go forward. Okay, stop. Guys, pedal lock karo. Pedal lock. Go jump, come on. Camera में देखो, go jump, come on, go. Let's see, come on, go. अरे भाई साहब, go. Come on, jump. Go, 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 come on.
Boleh apa itu?
चलिएगा, please take a seat. Stop, stop, stop. Back, all back. Okay, stop. Come on, forward, forward. Left side, go. Left side, आप भी चलाओ, come on, go, दोनों लोग, come on. Go, 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 come on. Go, 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 come on. Go, 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 go. चलो चलो भाई साहब. क्यों? बेटा रैपिड का नाम है व्हीकल. अभी 3 टाइम बोलो, गंगे मैया की go forward. चलो 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 चलो, come on. Okay, stop, stop. Pabe.
Mangan. जाओ जाओ जाओ, आप जाओ. रिलैक्स करो, रिलैक्स. wait. It's सांप है साइज. सांप है सांप.
इनको ऊपर ले लो, ऊपर आ जाओ, ऊपर आ जाओ। आगे जाएंगे।
मुंह के सामने आया था ये ऐसा करके, ऐसा पकड़ के धक्का दिया था आगे, इसीलिए भाई मैं हाथ रहा समझ रहा एक छोड़ रहा वो
एक रैबिट बात करेंगे अभी जब
घुमाए ना apa खाली धोए ना पकड़ा खड़ा जो है ना पाँच होंगे नहीं
रात के अंदर ना आ जाए हैं स्टॉप एक रैप इधर फेस दिखा के 1 by 1 जंप नेक्स्ट